60 lang.
Saan?
Yan. Yan, buhos niyan. Dito.
Ah, dito pala to. Ay, ayusin pa.
Oh, wow. May sarap magkakadag ko yung ano. Awa man ni sarado, no? Ah, ikaw naman lang siya.
Sadya na lang nasarado, kahoy. Ay, plywood. Ay,
Oh, plywood na lang natin sarap.
plywood. Wala na? Meron pa. Dito. Easy ka? Yun. Galing. Wow, galing. Marunong na ako.
So we were going to the second floor. Don't mind the kalat because we didn't clean yet since it's not yet finished. But the window is almost finished. So in this second floor we have 2 rooms and this is the first room. It's messy right now because we didn't clean yet. Since we want to fix first this room and this wall, we want to finish first this color green on the wall. And this is the bathroom. It's finished already, but we need to fix the paint first on the wall and to clean it first so it will become more beautiful and look okay. The door is not yet. The door is not yet attached, but we will attach it tomorrow or later. So now we're going to the second room, which is will be using by Ate Isa, Janelle, Carla, me, Di, Iseline, or Shai. Here, this is the room. This is big since we are 7 who can use this room. So when we use this room, we can fit. That's why it's big. This is our own CR. It's not yet finished. We use this sometimes when the CR in the first floor is full. Here. It's not clean. So that's it. This is the window. In this second floor, we have only one window because both sides, we have neighbor both sides, and we can't put windows in that side and in this side.